you know it's what I always wanted. Could never have too many things. Well, you quit kicking me under the table. I'm trying, will somebody make us shut up about it? Can we settle down, please?
Shalom YouTube, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another video. So with that being said, guys, let's get to it. Okay, I titled this video, I'm an Osiris always lying. He always lying, guys. So with that being said, let's get to it. One thing I know, I can point out of a compulsive liar from anywhere. And I'm an Osiris, he's good at a compulsive liar. If anything, that man probably was an exotic car seller. That's it. That's all. He don't own those cars. I guarantee you he didn't. You know, and that ain't even that. It ain't even about hating on the guy. You know, cause I don't hate on Armin Osiris. I hate that he always lying. You know, the guy always lying, man. You know, this how you know he's a liar and he's a fraud. Okay, child support took everything from him, right? But he said he filed a federal lawsuit, right, and won. So if he filed a federal lawsuit and won, why didn't he get his millions back? Why he ain't get his Bentleys back? If those was his, why he ain't get the Lamborghini back? If that was his, why don't have the mansion that he called? He was living to, he was a millionaire. So if he was sold this god of law of child support, and he sued the federal agency as he trying to tell you guys to do, what do he have to show for it? Nothing, man. We still ain't seen a dismissal from this guy. You know, only thing we're hearing is fabricated stories, man. That's it. And him standing in front of exotic cars. Anybody can take a picture with a suit on in front of an exotic car. They got photo shoots you can do that at. You know, pay him out to stand in front of a car and come and shoot you. You know, and take photos of you. That's not hard to do, man. Y'all can't be that gullible and let this guy keep telling y'all and selling y'all dreams of a life that never existed, man. You know, it never existed. The guy's bluffing, man, the whole time. He's a bluffer. He's a major bluffer, man. And because he's bluffing, you know, I'm calling him out on it. He know he's bluffing. If those was his cars, you never seen him in them. He don't got no pictures inside those cars. He always on the outside. If that's his mansion house, how come he ain't in the inside of it? He's always on the outside. But then he say child support took everything. Okay, if child support took everything, then you supposed to be Mr. God of Law. Why you ain't sue and get it back? Like you said you sued and won. So if you sued and won, why didn't get your $1 million back? Why didn't got the Bentleys back? Why didn't got the Lamborghinis back? Because you, for one, you still on child support and you milking the people for they can pay your child support. That's it, Armin Osiris. You know it. I know it. The brother I am Hotep know it. And everybody else who deal with your services know it, man. Everybody know it. But look, let's listen into this man video real quick.
Simply advocates that you made them in private, you take care of them in private. And today what I'm going to express to you is why I'm so pissed off at child support. Okay? Now, this handsome dude right here, this God who has descended from the heavens in front of his $550,000 Bentley Turbo Coupe. Alright? Check this out. I lost that car. Okay? And I lost the house. Look, man, you talking about, I made my first million before I was 23 years old. Okay? Now, I've had 2 or 3 jobs in my life. Okay, but the rest of those times, I invented things, I created businesses, I employed people such as yourself, okay? Had a good life. Lived in Honolulu for 20 years, alright? Didn't know nothing, alright? But here's the catch. They got me, okay? And they got me good. Child support, alright, I'm gonna show you some more pictures here, alright? Because let me explain something to you, alright? I wasn't no Toyota driving, bus catching nigga, alright? I was a millionaire. Now, I haven't recouped all my losses, but hey, I'm okay. Alright? Took me a minute. I had to lick my own ass to get the taste of child support out of my mouth. It took me a minute. Alright? But these are the things that I lost. They were material things. And you can always get material things back. But it was the principle. This is why I go so hard on child support. And this is why I tell you and try to teach you, alright, the things that you need to know so you can go equally as hard. Okay? I lived in a $2.9 million house. My house was 15,000 square feet, okay? So, that being said, this is picture number 1, okay? I'm going to show you the fleet that I used to rock with, okay? This is picture number 2. Yes, brother was rolling a Lamborghini. As a matter of fact, every time I rolled my shit, I usually wore a matching custom tailor-made suit, all right? That's a $3,000 suit you see there, people. All right, it's an older picture, but this was way back in the day before child support got their hands on me. All right, that's a Lamborghini. All right, look, oh, there he is, Pimp Daddy in that suit.
If you know that I know he's lying right now. Oh, you got the new Margiela? That's what's up. That's what's up. I see you. That's your BMW? That's nice. That's your girl? Golly. Okay, I see you. But I just wanna know one thing. You ready? Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop fucking lying.